Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm doing a relaxing after dark clean with me. I thought that this would be nice and relaxing for you guys, and I haven't done one of these in a really long time. I don't think I've done one in this house actually. So I put the girls to bed and I got to cleaning. So the first thing I did though is I did fold Kensley's laundry while she was in the bathtub. That's usually when I will fold her laundry, is when she's taking a bath. So she's right there in the bathroom and I'm just folding her laundry, and I'm actually FaceTiming my husband, and you'll see her get out of the bath here in a minute and she will come in and be talking to her daddy as well. If you are new here, or even if you've seen a couple of my videos but you like cleaning videos, I would love to have you subscribe. It's totally free to do that. All you have to do is hit that red subscribe button and make sure you click that bell. That way it will notify you when I upload. And that's it. That's that simple. It doesn't cost anything. It just helps to support my channel and helps to make sure you know when I upload. Okay, so once I put the girls to bed, I went ahead and started downstairs. There's Bailey May. She was already ready for bed and she didn't want to get up, but I gave her her bone and sent her up with her mama to go to bed because she does sleep with my oldest daughter who's 12. That's her dog. So I have Tucker down there though. You will see him following me around everywhere. But I'm just straightening up in the living room, picking up the toys and wiping down the coffee tables and stuff like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean the floors too. There's nothing like waking up to a clean home, especially a clean kitchen. It just sets me off to have a better day when I wake up to everything clean. I hate waking up to a house that's messy. It just is stressful, and it just kind of puts me in a bad mood for the rest of the day because I don't like to wake up and feel like I have to clean, and especially when I have things to do the next day. So if I do have a busy day planned for the next day, I like to do these after dark cleaning routines. That way I don't have to worry about cleaning the house. I can get up, get ready, and leave, and when I come home, the house is clean.
Wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end.
I'm just using the Downy Unstoppables Febreze on my throw blanket and my pillows. This is the pink one. I can't think of what the scent is. I like the blue one better, I think, but I really like the pink one too. I don't dislike it.
It doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it lasts forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize.
So now I'm using my Bissell Crosswave, the cordless one, to clean the floors. This thing mops and vacuums at the same time. It's really awesome and is a huge time saver.
That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend to the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else.
Okay, so now that I'm done in the living room, I'm going to go ahead and get started in the kitchen. I'm just clearing up Madeline's school stuff and getting that ready for her in the morning. And I am using a mixture of pine sol and water in that bottle, in case you were wondering. So that's what I'm going to use on the counters and everything. And then I'm also just putting our leftover Alfredo into these little Tupperware because Madeline likes to take those for school, so she'll just grab one, heat it up, put it in her thermos, and take it for lunch the next day. So I was just saving those for her, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the dishes. I'm going to empty the dishwasher, and then because the dishwasher was not very full, I went ahead and added everything into it and just ran another cycle. Madeline made some blueberry muffins, so I was just putting them in this really cute little cupcake case or whatever you would call that. I don't know. Does that thing have a name? Somebody let me know if that thing actually has a name.
I do believe that if someone is willing to pay all their dues, there's almost no end to what can be won one day. You gotta choose. The times it's all out of reach, soldier on. When it's harder to learn than to teach, soldier on. Come rain, storm, or blue sky, soldier on.
Also, when I was done cleaning the floor in the living room, the Bissell had run out of water, so I had to mix up another container and get that ready to do the kitchen. So I'm just putting a little bit of pine sol in there with some hot water. So to clean my sink, I am using some Dawn dish soap. I always do that, Dawn dish soap. And then I put in one of the lemon plinks, which is just a garbage disposal freshener. It just makes it smell fresh. And that's pretty much all I was doing. I got that little container at Walmart and it's there right now. And they also had some sunflower colored ones and I believe another one. And they were like a couple of dollars. I thought it would be perfect for my plinks, so I went ahead and grabbed one.
What you're trying to explain, I don't mind feather wings, no diamond rings, but that's not how you get to me, no. We could sit in the shade, talk till late, and then we'll see. We can go for walks, stroll down the city park, and maybe, just maybe, guaranteed, no matter the place or time. Oh, I like when you're whispering and really listening. Not too much fuss, so keep it easy. We could sit in the shade, talk till late, and then we'll see. We can go for walks, stroll down the city park, and maybe, just maybe, take my hand, come on, let's go. Leave expectations and false behaviors. Don't put on a show. Let's just sit in the shade and talk till late. We can go for walks, stroll down the city park, and maybe, just maybe.
All right, so I had to stop because it alerted me that my dirty water tank was full, so I had to go ahead and empty it out. So I'm showing you the dirty water there, and that's really not even that bad. A lot of times it looks more like chocolate milk. It was just kind of a gray, dirty water there. But this thing picks up so much stuff. It picks up so much hair and debris and just dirt because that brush is rolling constantly and it's scrubbing your floors. And I just love this thing. It's awesome. It's so satisfying to see all that it pulls up.
It takes so little just to make me smile, but you don't seem to be around. My body aches for someone who makes me right, but you don't seem to take the time. You're on a mission now, I know you can't get out.
All right, so now I'm going to set my robot vacuum named Barry. I'm going to set him loose to go ahead and vacuum the front rooms because I did not want to do the floors in there. So this is by the brand Bagata or Bagotti. I cannot ever pronounce this right, so I'm butchering it, but you can get it on Amazon and I have it linked for you. And I love that it has an app. It's Wi-Fi enabled. You can use your Alexa or your Google Home with it as well, but I can control it completely from my phone. I can set, like if I wanted to do an auto clean or an edge clean, I can change the suction on it. I also love the fact that it has the material life on it, so I can see when I need to change the filter and when I need to change those little side brushes because those can get pretty beaten up after some time. So I love the fact that it has that. And I will say that this robot vacuum is the only one I have that can get over this thick shag rug. So it vacuumed this shag rug for me, which was awesome, but it's the only one. The other ones, as soon as they go up on it, they get stuck and they just can't handle it. But this one can totally handle the shag rug, so that is so good. So I also love that it has different like suction power, so you can do auto or you can do low if you wanted to just do like a dusting and you wanted the battery life to last longer, or you can do like the max power if you wanted to do like carpets or something, or if maybe you had like a really dirty floor. But yeah, I love robot vacuums. They're a total game changer. If you have pets, you need one of these. Listen to me. You need a robot vacuum if you have pets. So I will link this one in the description for you guys in case, because I know sometimes it can be overwhelming. There are so many out there on the market and you don't know which one is which, but you can take it from me or friend Jessica. I have this one and I love it and I recommend it. So I don't want you guys to spend your money on something that's junk or that, doesn't do a good job. So I would never tell you if I didn't like it, and I do love it, and I've had it for a while now, so I really have a good opinion on it as well. And I am laughing because I do not know why my footage here is crooked. It's totally crooked. I don't know what's wrong with me, you guys. It was late. That's my excuse. So I'm sorry about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this relaxing clean with me, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.